Look at this data set. You have a missing value in the year column. What is the first thing you would do to fix it? I'll give you 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. If you said, "I'll fill it with the mean," or "I'll just drop the row," I would fail you immediately. In fact, if you did that in a real job, you might break the entire pricing model. Here is why your answer was wrong. Let's say the average year in this data is 2016, but look at the mileage of car with 412,000 miles. It's a scrap car not even worth $1,000. If you fill that empty cell with the average 2016, you just told the computer that a 2016 car has 400K miles. Later, your model will predict this junk car is worth $15,000. You just use code to lie to the business. A senior analyst never uses the global mean. We use segmented imputation or clustering. It sounds complex, but it's actually just common sense applied to data. Do you know how to explain that logic in an interview? I broke down the exact framework for this problem in the video right here visible in suggestions. It's not a coding tutorial, it's the strategy that gets you hired. Click it before you make this mistake in your next interview. In an interview, I don't care if you know the syntax. I can teach you syntax in 5 minutes. I care if you understand the strategy behind imputation. All the best!